Interesting. Is that a claw? Quick, let's go build our house. Let's inflate the tires. Tap on the pump to inflate the tires. All the tires look okay. Great job. Uh-oh, we have a problem. Slide the buttons on the scanner to align the marker with a broken part. You have found the broken part. Neat. We need this thing. Let's build it and find out. A dump truck. No doubt it will come in handy. Let's fill up our machine. Yes, let's go. Cool, this one has a massive bucket. We have built a bulldozer. Let's get digging. Tap on the highlighted buttons to check out how this machine works. Good job. Now, tap on the next one. Yay! Only one more left. Tap on it. Excellent! Everything works! Whoops! Our machine has got dirty. Let's wash the dirt away. Let's soap it up. Tap on the screen to do it. Now let's wash the bubbles away. Swipe the brush across the machine. Now the machine is squeaky clean.